The Aussie dollar is at a crossroads. Traders are watching one critical level that could decide its next big move. Are we looking at a breakdown or a major bounce? Let's dive into the analysis. Looking at the market chatter, the mood around the AUDUSD is tense but leaning towards optimistic. We're seeing a clear theme. The pair has dropped to a significant support zone, and many are now betting on a rebound. The bullish argument is centered on the strong daily trend line that has held up for weeks. We're seeing charts that pinpoint this exact level as a prime buying opportunity. Analysts are highlighting the area around 0.65 as a key support floor. Specific buy signals are emerging, with entry suggested around 0.6529. Traders are looking for the price to bounce from here, setting take-profit targets up towards 0.6559 and 0.6561. However, it's not all one-sided. We have to acknowledge that the pair is testing this support because of recent selling pressure. If the current support around 0.65 fails to hold, the next significant levels to the downside are noted at 0.456 and even lower at 0.389. Key resistance levels to watch if the price does move up would be around 0.6565 and then higher towards 0.6615. So, to sum it all up, the entire focus is on the AUD/USD's current position right on a critical support trend line. The prevailing strategy appears to be buying at this support with a clear plan. The buy zone is roughly between 0.6500 and 0.6529. The primary upside target is around 0.6560. The risk is if this support breaks, with stop losses placed just below the 0.6 mark. The battle lines are drawn. A successful bounce could confirm the bullish trend and lead to a rally, but a break below could signal more weakness to come. It's a pivotal moment for the Aussie dollar. As always, trade smart and manage your risk.